Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a few conversions. Listen carefully. First conversion, decimal fraction to binary, decimal fraction to octal, and decimal fraction to hexadecimal. These three conversions I am going to teach, and at last see. First, decimal fraction to binary. So you can see this decimal fraction 125.0625. Okay. So how to convert this? First of all, for the integral part, the same rule. You know how to convert decimal to binary. So for integral part means for 125, the same rule, divided by 2, write the quotient here, remainder here, and so on like this. So for 125, what we are getting? 1. This we are getting for the integral part. You can see I have written the answer here. And for the fractional part, you can please look at the board. In fractional part, we multiply with 2. We multiply with 2. And whatever we are getting, the integral part we write here. Integral part we write here. And fractional part we take for the, this part we take for the further calculation. This part we take for the further calculation. 125 we have taken here. Now again multiply with 2. Fractional part here, integral part here, and take fractional part for the further calculation. Then 0.25 into 2, again we are getting 0.50. So take integral part to here and fractional part for the further calculation. Now 0.50 into 2 will be 1.00. So write integral part here and fractional part. So this process you will repeat until you get 0 in fractional form. जब तक 0 ना मिल जाए फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में तब तक हम ये कैलकुलेशन रिपीट करते रहेंगे. Okay, and then we'll go from, so here we'll stop since we got 0 in the fractional part. So here we will stop, and you can see we'll go from top to bottom. It's like this: 0, 0, 0, 1. This I have written here. So this is decimal in decimal, and here I have converted that into binary fraction. Okay. See this another example, 25.0125. Okay. See, I am repeating the same process, multiplying with 2, writing integral part here, and fractional part I am taking for the further calculation, and so on. And sometimes it will happen that you will not get 0 in the fractional part. You will multiply, you will go on multiplying on, but you will not get the 0 in fractional parts. It happens, sometimes it will happen. फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में 0 आएगा ही नहीं. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओगे 0 आएगा नहीं. So in that case you can stop up to some places. Okay, so since I am getting only 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so here we got 1. So here I have stopped. At any place you can stop. It's that will be a approx value. Okay, so since we are not getting 1, we got up to here, we got zeros, so that's why I have stopped here. I'm getting 1 here, so I have stopped here, and this is the result answer for the fractional part. And for the integral part, you know the same rule we got like this. Okay, so remember, if you're not getting 0 in the fractional part, up to any place you can go, and when you are getting 1, there you can stop. In the same manner, decimal fraction to octal. Okay, so you can see I have solved one question on the screen. Instead of 2, here we are using 8. For the octal, we are using 8, and the process is same. Okay, so for the integral part, same process, and for the fractional part, you will multiply with 8. Instead of 2, you will multiply with 8, and integral part here, and fractional part for the further calculations. Since in this example, we got 0 in the first attempt, in the first calculation, so here we stopped. So 531.1 is the answer for this decimal, which was in fractional decimal, which we have converted into octal. So same process, instead of using 2, here we are using 8. Okay. And same for the hexadecimal. Instead of 8 and 2, here we use, sorry, here we use what? 16. Okay, 2 examples are given on the screen. You can see this we are multiplying with the 16 integral part, fractional part we are taking for the further calculation. Okay, integral part we are writing here, and fractional part we are taking for the further calculation. And when we multiply with 16, we got 1.000. Here will stop. Here we will stop because we are getting zeros in the fractional part. Okay, so the answer of this will be what? 10b from here, integral part. For integral part, we got 10b, 11 in hexadecimal system, 11 is written as b, so 10b 0.01. Okay, so the same process. Instead of using 2 or 8, here we are using 16. The rest is same, no difference. So please remember these conversions, don't forget it.